Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Tnad Information and Public Relations Uba Lakman Rumboy ulakantu yiki nong tho khobor ka jilla Meghalaya bakin ai ki khobor ki ba shisha ki ba tikna bar ki ba ai jing mentoi ki padba ki ba pet bat ki ba puli ya ka ne ulakran ha ka jing Rakhe ka Shillong Press Club bat ka Department of Information and Public Relations ya ka World Press Freedom Day kabalapan long ha Shillong Club ha ka sisat jan uloong bahadin jong ka klam jing pang COVID-19 ki rinsan padba ne ki social media kilatre borba ban kni no ya ka hok jong ki lat pathai khubor hadu baki padba kimla shu ban penepher ki kot khubor ki badei bat ki kot khubor ki babakla habakran chipang kasni lat lot jong ki kot khubor la ne ka World Press Day uloong ba iwei pa iwei ki don ka jing lat lot ban pen pau ya la di ban pen pau ya ka jing mo jing perkhat bat ban pen pau ya ki jing snow ki jong ki
And I request our executive member of the Shillong Press Club, Badi Jaran, to kindly.
I don't know where to start because I'm very happy that in our society, since time immemorial, that there is a freedom. Each and everybody have the freedom to express themselves, to express their ideas, to express their grievances. So, as I said, I'm very happy that we are living in this society. I'm very happy also successive government that they never use or misuse the press for their own benefit. There is a cordial relationship between the government, the press, between the government and the law enforcing agency, between the government and the legal fraternity, and also the press and with all the traditional head and everybody. So in the context of Meghalaya, what I have seen that we are very fortunate, especially in these days when we have seen all over the world, all over, even in our country also, there are some restrictions and some diktat from somebody that what to be done, what to do and what not to do. Having said that, the role of the press now, it has become very, very important. Because if you remember correctly, that since the time of COVID-19, we have seen that the value of the press is, so to say, slightly coming down. With the advent of social media, and it is very difficult for the people to judge which one is right and which one is wrong. And when we see at the newspaper today, we don't know whether it is a newspaper or a tabloid or just the one of the advertising paper. We don't know. So for all these things, the freedom of press should be used how to inculcate ourselves in this dynamic world to face the changing with the changing of times. Now if we read, there are so many things happen in the state of Meghalaya. I'm not telling that everything is perfect. There are so many things. And we as the government, we as the lawmaker, sometimes we are at that. We don't know the ground realities because the quality, the press, the media, which report to us, there is some sort of disconnect. So what I urge, you have a total freedom in Meghalaya. If you want to build a society which is vibrant, a society which can deliver to the people, you have the freedom to report anything you like, as long as it's a fact. But if you are You want to twist the fact, that is the problem. So reporting of the fact, every comment, every agency, every department, they are always welcoming. Because we know the role of media is the fourth pillar in the society. So it is very a duty to see that they give the right information to the people. So in this day, today, I urge upon my media friend, I urge upon, let us try to be dynamic in our thought process and how to face the challenge of this social media, how to face the challenge of misinformation, how to face the challenge of twisting of the fact, so that we could build a society where there is a freedom for everyone, not only for the press, the freedom for the people to express also, without the fact, without anybody, without any hindrance. So, my dear friend, as I said, we live in Meghalaya. As I said, we are not perfect, but we need your freedom to report the fact, to report everything, because otherwise the press fraternity will be taken over by the social media, by the blogger, by something or other. Because as we have seen nowadays, no matter how much the news which you report is good, nobody will read it. No matter how much the news media which are reported through the media, nobody will look into it if it is more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. People didn't have time. But if today's function, if you tell that the Minister of IPR blaming the press, this and that report, everybody will read that. If you report correctly, nobody. You have to, the heading is very, very important nowadays. And if you look at the reporting today, there is no relation between the heading and the content of the news. But many of the social media, they try to keep the heading without the content. So you as the press, you have the freedom to report the fact, they have the freedom to keep the fact to the people. Until unless there is a freedom, we cannot build the strong society. So I wish that all the press fraternity, be the publisher, the editors and the reporters, the journalists, let us work together and keep the true picture of what is the thing we have done and what is the mistake we have committed and how to reform our state, because we are all here answerable to the people of the state of Meghalaya.